Ready to unlock the power of online payments for your Indian business and reach customers worldwide. This is your express guide to creating a Stripe account in India, specifically tailored to the unique needs of Indian entrepreneurs. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Stripe.com. Make sure you're on the official Stripe website to protect your information. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, you can sign in here, but since we're creating a new one, click on the Sign In button to find the Sign Up option. On the login page, there will be a Create Account option. To create a new account, click on it now. Fill out the required information. This usually includes your email address, full name, and a secure password. Choose a strong password you can remember, and keep it safe. Now, Stripe will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your inbox, find the email from Stripe, and click the verification link to confirm your email address. After verifying your email, you'll be directed to Stripe's activation process. This is where you'll provide details about your business. Be prepared to enter information such as your business type, legal name, address, and industry. If you're an individual or sole proprietor, you'll use your personal details. For registered businesses, have your GSTN and business registration documents handy. Next, you'll need to provide your bank account details. This is crucial, as this is where Stripe will deposit your earnings. Enter your bank name, account number, and IFSC code. Carefully double-check everything to avoid any errors. Finally, once you've completed all the required information and agreed to Stripe's terms of service, submit your application. Stripe will then review your information, and once approved, you're all set to start accepting online payments. That's how you create a Stripe account in India. Now you can confidently start scaling your business. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.